Hello everybody, welcome to my studio. I am your host, Morgan. I just wanted to introduce myself and give you guys an overview of what I plan on doing here on my YouTube channel, the scope and direction. For the most part, I'll be doing PC related content. That's everything from PC builds, PC overclocking, PC troubleshooting, PC gaming, some tutorials on software installs and usage, as well as maybe some tips on tweaking Windows and stuff. Other things we'll be doing hardware mods, PC case modding, tons of electronics projects planned, from everything from Arduino to Raspberry Pi, and even just hacking various electronics and stuff. In addition to my adventures in personal computing, I plan on bringing a lot of my other hobbies to my channel, such as 3D printing, and that'll encompass a lot of stuff. I'll bring my 3D printing into my personal computing, as well as into many of my other hobbies, such as like stop motion filming, puppetry, automotive, woodworking, machine shop type stuff, like machining with a lathe or a mill. I've got a couple of those types of machines out there, as well as screen printing, model rocketry, and even some radio control type stuffs. I've got a huge assortment. I've got like a book of ideas here. Alright, so we'll be going through all this. I've got all kinds of sketches and stuff that usually lead to 3D design projects and whatnot. Like one of the ones I've got going right here is for an NFC tag keychain. Basically, it was designed mainly for Minecraft Earth, but yeah, I'll be doing a video on Minecraft Earth real soon. But yeah, I had originally shot this intro video probably about a dozen times now. Most recently, I had reused a script from a while back and rewrote the script, and filmed it reading off of the script with a makeshift teleprompter. But I felt I was just too stiff reading from that script or whatever. So, and it just didn't really feel, like it was me. So this is me saying hello and welcome to my channel. And yeah, we're going to be doing stuff like taking a 5 1/4 drive bay adapter that I bought, and I modified it so where it had dual USB here. I put a SD card reader on here, and it was also a slim bay adapter here. But yeah, I had to redo the wiring and stuff. Made it so where I had a female USB on the back instead of a dongle hanging out the back. I want to have my computers looking nice and clean. So I've got a couple more of these actually, and I'll be doing one of these live on stream or something like that. I do plan on streaming as well as making YouTube videos here. Let's see, what another thing I've got planned, as I've been kind of working on saving up materials and stuff, is a good thermal compound shootout. So there's a lot of thermal compounds out there at many price ranges. Heck, many people don't even buy thermal compound because their CPU coolers come with them, and let's find out if those are good or not. Anyways. So another project I did a while back was taking this CPU cooler. I think it was an Intel only cooler, but I made it so it could fit an AM3 socket. Or is it an AM4 socket? I think that's actually AM4 pattern. But yeah, so there's that. I've got my power supply here that I'll be adding to my cryptocurrency miner that I use for a heater. Because if you're going to heat your apartment or your home or whatever, you might as well offset some of those costs with a miner of some sort, because a heater is just literally burning money. So with a miner, you can offset a little bit of the heating cost by, obviously getting some cryptocurrency back. Let's see what else. So yeah, I've got that going. We've got, I usually don't do product reviews, but I've got a couple planned, and one of them I really wanted to check out was this Luna controller by Amazon. So that'll be upcoming. And one of my current projects is my 4K filming rig. So it's going to be based around a GoPro. We'll have a nice mic on there, Rode mic, and it's got a mount for a phone here, so we can use that to monitor the GoPro action. And then I'm also planning to add a external battery here, so we can power the GoPro and the phone, and so we can have extended filming sessions with this thing. And it can also be mounted on a tripod as well as handheld. That's basically what I've got going on here. I'm gonna plan for one video a week at least, possibly more. I'm guessing I could probably do some whip videos, work in project videos, where it's just maybe some clips put together of some of the work I've been doing during the week while putting together the next edited video and stuff. So anyways, again, my name is Morgan. I want to thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in future videos. Have a good day.